Good day, my dear students, and welcome to another fun week of learning. This topic focuses on greenhouse effect and global warming. I am Ma'am Arlene Matawaran, your teacher for this video lesson. But first, let us understand what is atmosphere. It is a blanket-like structure that protects the Earth from extreme heat and temperatures. Base sa graph, 78% ng ating atmosphere ay nitrogen. Alam niyo ba that nitrogen is a major component of chlorophyll which plants use solar energy to process photosynthesis? Oxygen with 21%, argon, trace gases such as helium, carbon dioxide, neon, water vapor, and dust makes up our atmosphere. Now, let us discuss the layers of the atmosphere. Troposphere is the nearest layer from the Earth where all weather develops. It goes from 0 km to 16 km. While stratosphere is where the ozone layer is found. Ang ozone layer ay dagdag na protection ng mundo mula sa ultraviolet radiation ng araw. It goes from 60 km to 50 km from the Earth's surface. While the mesosphere is the middle layer where meteors burn up. Once na ma-reach ng meteors ang mesosphere, nasusunog ito dahil dense o mabigat ang hangin kung kaya't nakakapag-create ng sobrang init dahil na rin sa friction. Bago pa mag-crash sa Earth ang meteor ay sunog na ito. As well as radio waves are reflected to Earth in mesosphere. Next is thermosphere. It absorbs the sun's radiation, making it very hot. Auroras or northern and southern lights happens when ions of the solar wind collide with atoms of oxygen and nitrogen from Earth's surface. Ang mga aurora ay visible lamang sa Arctic and Antarctic Circle. It goes from 90 kilometers to 300 kilometers upward. Finally, we have the exosphere. Exosphere goes 300 kilometers and beyond. It is the last outermost layer of the atmosphere where satellites orbit Earth in this layer, such as the International Space Station, Hubble Space Telescope, as well as the orbiting weather satellites and satellite photo imagery. Now that we know the layers of the atmosphere, paano nga ba nag-i-interact ang solar energy at ang atmosphere ng ating mundo? Ito ay sa pamamagitan ng greenhouse effect. It was first discovered by Joseph Fourier in 1942 when he compared Earth's atmosphere to a box with a glass cover. Now, let us explain how greenhouse effect happens. First, when solar energy reaches Earth's atmosphere, some are reflected back into space. Then the rest is absorbed by the land and oceans heating the Earth. Some heat is trapped by greenhouse gases in the atmosphere that adds up to Earth's temperature. Human activities such as burning of fossil fuel, agricultural, and land clearing are increasing the amount of greenhouse gases that is released into the atmosphere that traps extra heat, causing Earth's temperature to rise more. Carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases in the atmosphere trap more heat, making Earth super warm. Actually, class, greenhouse effect is a natural phenomena because without it, Earth would be cold, too cold for organisms to survive. Alam niyo bang without greenhouse effect, Earth's temperature is only 15 degrees Celsius? But what will happen if there is too much greenhouse effect? Human activities causes global warming. Human activities that trap more and more heat that leads to higher global temperatures. Ano nga bang epekto ng global warming? Mataas ang temperature, pagkatunaw ng ice glaciers, pagtaas ng sea levels, pabago-bagong panahon, mga super typhoons, land degradation, loss of wildlife and biodiversity, even death. For our references, thank you for watching our video lesson. I hope makatulong ito para masagutan ninyo ang mga learning tasks sa ating module. Goodbye!